Hello, I'm Lucy, and I'm here to tell you all about Quick Fix, a time and money saving service direct from MSV. Quick Fix is intended to provide advice and answers about, and perhaps even to help you tackle, some of the smaller jobs that will need doing around your home from time to time. With a range of simple home maintenance and DIY tips, these short Quick Fix videos will hopefully be really helpful to you. But do please remember that they only cover smaller day-to-day type issues. MSV has a professional maintenance and repair team to tackle any of the bigger jobs that might crop up. And please also remember that any jobs you do have a go at are done completely at your own risk. I'm forever blowing bubbles. Washing machines are brilliant devices, but they can be a bit sensitive sometimes. Please remember that low-quality washing powders can block your washing machine. In fact, using any powder in your washing machine can, over a period of time, cause its pipes to block. So if you can, it's better to try and use a liquid detergent, and occasionally to run a cycle with no washing powder or detergent in the machine at all. If you're unsure about using your washing machine, please don't hesitate to give us a ring and we'll talk you through it over the phone.